Okay, y'all, this is a how-to video of how to upgrade your hard drive on the Xbox. My method is the easiest way to do it. But first, this Xbox is soft-modded using the Splinter Cell exploit. But it's got the 8GB hard drive in it. So, and you can see right here that this Xbox has never been opened. And I got my socket wrench right here that I use, and this bag is all the stuff I use. All this stuff right here. And this is a good thing to always keep. If the Xbox got an error code or something, if it powers up, all you do is hook this up to a serial port on an old computer, and just you can hook it up and then get all your Xbox personal identification number off your Xbox basic input output chip. They'll read it. But anyways, first, there's 6 bolts right here hidden, and these little foots right here, you just peel them off with your hand like this. They come right off. And I just throw them away. Just put those to the side right here. Okay, get my socket wrench. I believe that's a Torx 20. I keep these bolts together right here. That's all I need right here. This is my Xbox hard drive upgrade kit. And let's see, find the Torx 20. I believe this is the 20. Yep. And get this on here. Alright, now start removing these. And there's 2 more hidden bolts on this thing. I will show you in this video. And you put these to the side. And then just keep going. And almost done at 5 minutes at this. Got one more of this bolt. I'm telling you, this is the best method to use. It's the one that works for me. And 2 more. Guess where they are? Just feel around right here and you'll feel it. And it's right there. So you just, and it will come out. And this voids the warranty, but these things are over 20, almost 25 years old. so they don't make them no more, so you ain't got a warranty to worry about. I've done probably about 50 of these, and the next one is right there. I have my whole system of modding and upgrading Xboxes. Okay, and now put your bolts to the side right here. Flip the Xbox over, and it just comes off just like that. And you see there, that's the stock hard drive and the DVD drive. And part 2 of my next video, I'm going to show you what to do to upgrade the hard drive.